Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily change your name and username in Duolingo. So what you want to do is be in Duolingo and then go to your profile, the second button, go right top corner to settings, and here you're gonna see name and username. So what you want to do, just like click on name, Tauman Tips 1, and username Tauman Tips, and click done. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.